So what is up, YouTube? It's your girl Dior, and I'm back with more.
Your body the tropics, girl, you are the tropics. No lie, no lie. Your body the tropics, girl, you are the tropics. No lie, no lie.
So I just want to say, first and foremost, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if you're new, hey, what's up? My name is Danny. I like to eat through my hair and get cute to go nowhere. Period. Poop. Okay, that's gross. So y'all know I love my Shein hauls, my Shein fiend, Shein queen, Shein machine. Like, okay, so I have big news for y'all, but this is on the shorter side of items. If y'all want a long, consistent, you know, nice items haul, then be sure to check out these videos. If you're short, sweet, simple, like to get straight to the point, then keep watching. So recently I finally got a sponsorship with Shein, so don't forget to use my code Danny15 for money off. It's a bit on the smaller side, yeah. And although I didn't get as much pieces this time, it's okay because I already have too many clothes anyways. And I feel like with these specific looks, y'all gonna get some really fire fits out of them. So without further ado, let's jump to the video. The dress, it's definitely getting yes vibes from me. I don't know, maybe because it's all folded up, I don't really like how it looks right now, but it definitely has potential. Don't get me wrong, it definitely got potential. Okay, so going for the all black look, I paired it with my boots, girl. These is some knockoff Doc Martens from Forever 21, but they were like, what, probably fourth of the price. I have these glasses that Shop Dior Dynasty sold but are no longer in stock right now, and the super cute black headband that I had in my last Shein haul. So all together, we looking like, it's giving, I don't know, it's giving spy. It's giving Russian spy. I don't really have a bag that I want to pair with this yet, only because I'm tired of wearing the little black leather bag. It's done. It did its time. So until I find something else, this is just gonna go solo dolo. But I like it. I give this 5 to 10. Good job, Danny. So this next look is fire. So next up on the list, we have these red pants that they sent me. Just the red version of the brown and black pants I have already. So this is a size small, fits snug. It's very stretchy. It's very stretchy, so that's a plus. Yes, ma'am. And it's stacked, split, whatever you want to call it. I rate these pants a 9. Actually, blue is good. The red though. So I just paired it with this bag from Lovely Wholesale and this shirt that I also got from Shein, but this was last summer, and this headband that came off my purse. But anyways, y'all, I rate this look a 10. I love it. It's getting what it's supposed to get. So here we have this top. I'm not really sure. That was nasty. I'm not really sure how it's supposed to fit, but you know, something just tells me I'm wearing it wrong. Like, I'm always wearing it wrong. It's always me. I'm the problem. Y'all, this top is so ghetto. I had to tie it myself. Like, tie it at the top. Ooh, child. Tie it at the top, but I guess they're trying to, you know, make it adjustable to everybody. But I don't really like this top. Maybe because it's so exposing, and no matter how many times I put it down, it still wants to, like, either way it goes, it just looks dumb. Maybe I'm just not grown or not there yet to just expose myself like that, but I don't like it. But on with my black hem pants from Pretty Little Thing, and these, and it looks good. I don't know, I just feel exposed. Like, this is not me, and I already know I'm gonna have something to say, so I'm gonna go ahead and just throw this one in the trash. But I don't know, the concept was cute, but on me it's just too revealing, so I'd have to give this like a 3. Yeah, like, girl, like, where is it? Non-existent. It was cute though. Okay, so it's not the glasses, it's not the top, it's not the bag, but it's the pants though. I ain't gonna hold y'all, at first I did not like the pants because I felt like they weren't giving what it was supposed to give. But now that I've like accessorized and put more stuff with it, I like it. I like it because it's different, and I know 9 times out of 10, if I go out right now, I won't see nobody with these pants on. They're really like straight leg. I don't want skinny or flare. I just wanted like a more oversized look. But I mean, I can't complain. It fits great. Pockets are nice. Very durable denim. And this look is iconic. So respect that. But yeah, I definitely like this. It's giving one of those. This, I rate the pants a 9. Probably like my second to least favorite. It's all good though. This is the last of the last. It was a sweater vest set. I am in love with this only because like it's so soft and comfortable, and it's like very stretchy. So this is a small, but I'm pretty sure like anybody bigger than me could fit into this as well. Yeah, I'm not really a sweater vest type of person, but as y'all seen from my last couple hauls, I'm trying to get more into that aesthetic. I paired it with my shop Dior Dynasty frames that are currently out of stock. I know y'all probably hate me. That's the cotton candy flavor. That's the cotton candy one, and paired it with these. That's why I have these blue and pink glasses. But wait, there's more. I know I can just get a super cute set like this and not get any accessories to go along with it. So yes, I did. Some of y'all probably think this purse ugly as hell, but honestly y'all, I don't care because I just felt like I needed a blue purse. I don't have a blue purse, so I got one. It's not the same exact color, but it fits the aesthetic pretty well, so I don't think anyone's gonna be like, oh my god, that's a different blue. Who cares? So you open it up, and it's just a regular purse. No compartments, but it does have a good amount of space. Not that I would be putting a whole lot in here besides necessities. Zip it back up and just wear it like that. Over shoulder cute. Yes, this is probably my fave outfit out of all of them. I feel like in this outfit all the pieces just kind of correspond well. The rest of them, yeah, look nice, but this one, this is the one. Maybe without the glasses because they're kind of dusty, but I rate the sweater set a 10. Accessories for myself are like a 9. So you guys, that wraps it up for my Shein haul. Like I said, it was short, sweet, simple, and to the point. Just how y'all like it. So don't forget to use my code for money off your order, because like I said, who don't I save money? And all them times I done told Shein to sponsor me, the time has finally come. And not even trying to benefit me. I just want to look out for my supporters, my viewers, my subscribers. Make sure that y'all get the most out of your money. So don't forget to use my code. Yeah, facts. If all hearts and minds are clear, that wraps it up for this video. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with more. Bye, Dior.